The Museum of Contemporary Art, known as Conde Duque, is a prominent cultural institution located in Madrid. It is dedicated to contemporary art and offers a wide range of exhibitions, cultural events, and educational programs. It is situated in the Conde Duque district of Madrid, near the city centre. The museum is housed in a historic building complex that was originally built in the 18th century as a barracks and military headquarters. It was later repurposed for various cultural and artistic uses. The museum was inaugurated in November 2001. The museum is part of an ongoing programme of renovation to adapt it to use for cultural purposes. It showcases the works of art that the City Council has been acquiring since 1980, the year in which the collection began. The museum covers 2 floors over roughly 22,000 square feet. This space exhibits nearly 200 works by over 175 artists from different periods and artistic movements in Spanish art. The Conde Duque complex itself is an architectural gem featuring neoclassical and Baroque elements. Visitors can admire its historic facades and interior courtyards. Like a working studio within the museum, the visitor can enjoy a reconstruction of the room of the writer Ramón Gómez de la Serna, a central figure of the Madrid artistic avant-garde of the first third of the 20th century. This space contains artistic and everyday images, as well as objects collected by Ramón in his wonderful microcosms. I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you soon with more incredible places in Connolly Cove.